Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lanisha. If you're new, welcome to Living Life with me. So this is another kind of sort of meal prep video. I did not cook the lamb chops on camera, um, but I will tell you all what I did. I did cook them in butter, and I put some minced garlic in the butter and everything like that after it melted, and stirred that garlic around in there. I did wash off my lamb chops, of course. I did not flour them. I added some garlic salt, black pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder. And I cooked them on both sides for about 5 to 7 minutes each side. Took them off, did not bother them, just laid them to cool off and everything. And that's it. And I did cook them in an iron skillet, same as I did the meatballs. As you will see, you will see the meatballs being cooked, but the lamb chops I did not do. Will record. So yeah, I hope in the next video I do a lot better. But this video I was kind of tired and I was just trying to get done. So anywho, I still hope y'all enjoy this video. Starting off with the meatballs, we have some 93.7 lean ground beef. So 93% lean, 7% fat. Mild Italian sausage, my seasonings, garlic powder, onion powder, garlic salt, Italian seasoning, breadcrumbs, black pepper.